Here's how you can get 1,000 subscribers every single month before you say, hey bro, what about your channel? What about your channel? Get your channel more views. This is the channel I run. So the one I'm currently speaking on is a new channel. This is my actual channel. As you can see, the amount of subscribers I get, how much money I earn, the views I get. I don't need to say anything else. Now, how do you get 1,000 subscribers per month? You guys overcomplicate it. Really, I've got two examples here. You just need to pick one thing and make videos about that all the time. Most of your channels suck because you make videos with 10 different topics, or even inside the one topic, you talk about so many different things. That's not what people want. So I've got the two examples here. One is Sponge Truths. What is this guy? This guy is just SpongeBob Theories. The whole channel, 111 videos, no shorts, all long form. SpongeBob Theories, but the entire thing. And if we go to this Bloons Tower Defense channel, I literally just found this channel on my homepage now. 21k subs. What does this guy do? Bloons Tower Defense, but not just Bloons Tower Defense, it's Bloons Tower Defense 5. And the SpongeBob guy, it's not just random SpongeBob videos, it's SpongeBob Theories. So it's something, one thing hyper specific. Now it might sound like, wait, if it's one thing, how can you talk about it so much? You can talk about anything. In SpongeBob Theories, you could talk about SpongeBob's most racist episode, SpongeBob's most depressive episode. He's actually got it here, the most racist episode, the most depressing episode. You could talk about SpongeBob, how SpongeBob is actually a psychological villain. You could talk about how Mr. Krabs is actually the most generous person ever and why. And whatever it is, you talk about in the video episodes of, where Mr. Krabs was actually really generous and nice, and you give a whole theory, whatever it may be. SpongeBob's saddest episode, he just did, look, he's going through every emotion, racist, depressive, saddest, SpongeBob's happiest episode. You could do everything you like, right? Same with this guy here, Bloons Tower Defense 5. He actually has a video, how I'm the only Bloons Tower Defense 5 YouTuber. But the point is, no matter what niche you pick, if you are hyper-specific on it, there's going to be a community out there online on the internet that wants to watch. Even though Bloons Tower Defense 6 is the newest game, there's a community of people I'm sure that love number 5 over number 6. So he's going to keep making videos on number 5, and it's still going to get views, 3k, 3k, 5k, 15k, right? And it's something hyper-specific. Now, before we move on to the next thing, which is going to be a bonus tip, understand that 1,000 subscribers, you have to change your belief. 1,000 subscribers is so doable. Forget about 1,000. I've got a month with 10,000 subscribers. Just over 1 month. It's about just under 40 days. 10,000 subscribers. So it's not just one subscriber per hour. I think it comes out to 13 subscribers per hour, every single hour across a whole month. It gets you 10,000 subscribers. So it's so possible. Now, if you need help with everything specifically, not just blowing up one time, but being viral consistently again and again and again, I have a school program, the Creator Club. It's in the description below. I can help you get to 1,000 subscribers personally. Now, what do we do so far? Pick one niche, be hyper specific, not just SpongeBob Theories, not just Bloons Tower Defense. He's going to do specific Bloons Tower Defense 5 only content. The bonus tip we have is if you need help, obviously with the title, thumbnail, or the actual idea itself, whatever the video you're going to make, just YouTube someone else that's done it, and you can kind of copy it, 80% of it, 20% of it, make your own. So for example, with SpongeBob Theories, if I don't know what theory to make, I'm going to YouTube SpongeBob Theories. Now this guy's name is Sponge Truths, right? This is his channel. If we go up, Sponge Truths. So let's try to find a video that's not from Sponge Truths. I'm going to look up SpongeBob Theories. I'm going to go down. Look, this is by somebody else. 3 million views almost. SpongeBob's darkest episode. It's obviously very successful. I'm just going to copy the same thing and put it in. Darkest episode. It's the SpongeBob on the left. It's kind of freaky image and text on the right. I can do the same thing. SpongeBob on the right, text on the left, whatever it is. Same thing. The truth. Like, you can just copy some of these title thumbnails and do it. I'll give you a better example because you might not understand here. Phenomix, this guy, right? If you're looking at this video, how far can you get on the hardest map? I'm just going to YouTube how far can you go on Bloons Tower Defense 5 because that's the video he wants to make. Look, there's a channel with 300k subs, 860k views. How far can you get? And this same guy, Phenomix, if you look down below, he made the same video. And he got the same amount of views. So he's actually a 10 times smaller channel. This channel is more than 10 times bigger, but he got the same amount of views. Why? Look at the title and thumbnail. It's the exact same thing. It has on the left side a monkey, text that says the round number, on the right side round number question mark. He did the same thing. Look here, round number on the left, split screen, round number on the right with question marks, and I put monkeys left and right. He probably copied the exact same video, the title and the thumbnail, and he got the same amount of views and it's 10 times smaller. So you can do this again and again and again and again and again, right? Obviously you can switch it around a bit, make videos that you want to make. Don't copy the entire thing, twist it a little bit, but the point is, yeah, you can plagiarize a little bit and that's perfectly fine. So that's how you're going to do it. To summarize, pick one niche, stick with it, be very specific. There's going to be people online that love that one specific thing. Keep making videos on it. You can make 100 different things about it. This isn't actually SpongeBob's mom. Who are SpongeBob's real parents? SpongeBob is actually a crazy psychopath. SpongeBob actually escaped from the mental asylum. Anything you could think about, you can make a video. Make a script. Don't worry too hard about the retention, this, that, whatever. Just keep uploading. And if you're really stuck, just look at someone else on YouTube that did the same thing and is probably really successful and kind of copy it. That's all you need for now, and that's how you're going to get 1,000 subscribers per month. Don't make it harder than it is. Thank you.